Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Candy Crush Saga account. If you want to delete your Candy Crush Saga account, then first of all, launch open your Candy Crush Saga application and look for the gear button in pink, which will be available at the bottom left or the top right. Simply tap on it wherever it is and then tap on the little human icon with a small cross in it. And this will take you to a next page from where you can learn how you can delete your player account. But before deleting or attempting to delete your account, note that deleting your data is permanent and cannot be undone. Before you decide to delete your account, remember that you will lose all of your progress, your King friend list, and any items you've purchased or received for free. If you decide to return later even after deleting your account, you'll need to start over from level 1. Go through the information for both mobile users and desktop users and follow through the instructions. If you've logged in with your King account, then it is super easy to delete your account. Scroll down from this page and then tap on Delete My Account at the bottom. Type down your full name and make sure that your email address is correct as well. And finally click the Delete My Account button and this will delete your Candy Crush Saga player's profile. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.